The driver didn't ensure and opened the door in the worst possible moment. The biker decided to turn back and solve the whole situation.
That was a close call, yeah? That was a close call. When you opened the door, I was coming out. You didn't look here, okay? You didn't look. It's on camera, and I've got your number plate, okay? All right, so just a warning, keep an eye out next time, okay? Because I'm the one who up, not you. I'm on a motorbike, okay? All right, just keep an eye out, yeah? Thank you.
Sorry. You seen the van crossing the road? You pulled out in front of me. I was words ahead of you. Like you want that somewhere. Later, dude.
It didn't take long for the driver to react. He turned back to confront the biker.
What's up? I can't hear you. What's up? Was that you that is trying to pull out my lane and hit me? Man, watch where the f going, dude. You on camera, dog. Say hi to YouTube, buddy. You know Moto. Look it up. You're gonna be on it tomorrow. Good job. You famous now, bro. You famous as good job. Good. What's your name, buddy? You want to tell us your name? Huh? I can't hear you, but we hear you on camera, okay? Good job. You famous as homie. Good. Remember that. Moto. You know, M-O-T-O. You on Moto? Yeah. Let me go ahead and pull up so you get your plate. I want your plate because we're giving this to the cops too. Yeah. Yeah. You good, buddy? Go ahead, pull up. I want to see your plate. Go ahead, pull up. I want to see your plate. Come on, big guy. Wait, I thought I was the guy who was wrong. Let me see your plate if I'm the guy who was wrong. That's right, yeah. You little piece of Get out! Get out! That's what I thought.
It's very difficult to understand this driver's behavior, but this is probably caused by the rush.
Digga, was ist denn Ihr Problem? Ich fahr noch langsamer, Digga. Ich hab dich auf Kamera. Ich hab dich auf Kamera. Fick dich. Hä? Vor allem die Ampel ist jetzt einfach wieder rot. Was ist denn dein Problem? Was?
In this situation, the driver is also in a rush and doesn't note the biker.
Whoa! Can you do it?
Man, this guy.
This clip shows how important it is to keep the proper distance and focus on the road.
Oh. Ouais, t'as fait quoi là? Putain, t'as fait quoi mec, putain? Ah. Non, moi ça va, c'est bon. Ouais, je vais la mettre sur le côté.
Il nous a pris ou quoi?
Ah, je sais pas.
Il était arrêté?
Ah, combien moi? Ah, je suis en... Allez.
On va aller là.
Vous avez rien?
Ah, c'est bon, mais... Vous m'avez pas vu ou quoi?
Vous avez rien?
Non, moi c'est bon. Ta-da!
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.